Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda and happy Monday. So today we're going to be talking about my new brushes that I'm really excited about. So I got these brushes from OMNIA, and the reason I got brushes was because I'm starting my new certification for my makeup. I am a little bit over halfway done with it and I'm so excited about it because it's something that I've always wanted to do, like as far as learn how to do makeup, because I don't know how to do makeup. Even though I'm 43 years old, I never really learned how to do makeup, you know what I'm saying? And now there's so many things that you could do, you know, so many styles of makeup. You could even change your whole face just by, you know, the way you do your makeup, even contouring and stuff like that. So I ended up getting some brushes because I didn't realize how brushes were so important when it comes to makeup. And when I'm in the class, you know, she's using different makeups, stuff like that. Usually that class that I'm taking, which I'll get more in depth with it when I do my, you know, when I show you guys the class, I was not gifted a makeup kit, a brush kit, because I didn't pay for the class. So, you know, because I got it gifted. So I just wanted to show you guys the brushes that I did get, because they do require you guys to have brushes for this class, you know, because you're going to be doing different types of makeup, and of course you need brushes in order to do them. So I ended up getting this kit. It has all these brushes right here. So I'm super excited because look how many different brushes and styles of brushes that you have. You definitely need a foundation brush for this class, a, you know, of course, blush brush, and different types of brushes for your eyes, which it came with pretty much everything that I could possibly need for this class. So I'm super excited. So this packet also comes with this pouch, which the pouches themselves are pretty pricey. They're like $40. I was checking because I was trying to buy each one individually, but I was like, oh my god, I was going through different brands, but I wanted it all from the same brand, just as a starter kit, you know what I'm saying? But look at how beautiful these brushes are. I mean, they're thick, they fit, they're just so much fun to work with, you know what I'm saying? So this is what they look like, and I love that it does have the number here, which you can look up the number and I'll tell you what each brush does, because like I said, I definitely need a cheat sheet, you know, for now, because I'm learning. So I printed out my cheat sheet and I do study my brushes. I know it sounds crazy, but it's something that I have to do because I really, you know, I just started using them. But this kit was $249. I got them off of Bloomingdale's and I had 15% off, you know, when you sign up for emails and stuff like that. I definitely did that because 15% off is 15% off. I'm not sure it was 15 or 20, but it was one of those two. But yeah, the pouch is gorgeous. Just wanted to show you how it looks. You could, you know, take it for travel. You could do so much with it. It fits pretty much everywhere. It's so beautiful and it's like good quality, you know what I'm saying? So this is not sponsored. I don't know if I said that, but I literally wanted to come on here because that's how much I like the brushes. You know, it was just much easier just for me to get a set, and this was like a really good set that we came across. They also have different colors on Bloomingdale's, but they also have their own website. If you guys are interested, you guys could get any type of brush there. And that's it. I'm excited to show you guys, you know, my journey in learning how to do makeup, because like I said, I really never learned how to do it, or I was impatient, or, you know, it wasn't like I was just like, I'm too old to learn. Just know you're never too old to start something new, you know, something fresh, or whatever your passion is. Always follow your passion and it'll definitely, you know, your dreams will come true. You just gotta put a little bit of work into them. Not to say, you know, this is my dream, but I'm really loving on everything that I'm learning, you know what I mean? Even if I never use this, I just know, you know, learn to do makeup now, and it's something like really cool to say. You know, sometimes I'm at the store, I'm like, wow, her makeup looks so pretty, you know, and I'm just like, I don't know how that they do it, you know, it's like art. So kudos to all you makeup, you know, professionals, because it is an art. It is, so it's not easy, and it's a wonderful, you know, it's a wonderful thing to learn and to practice. But if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by. It means so much to me that you guys watch my videos, and I would love to have you part of my little family here on YouTube. If you guys would love to subscribe, if not, thank you so much for stopping by today, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.